ciana cia itura.
Yes. Until we had, tena niguo kwari idea, except the national schools. Isi giwa korata rukangi mahai largely. Irathomirwo ni andu within the Murang'a district.
It's just that region.
Yes. But now everyone can go
anywhere.
I think it's at the Matiang'i exams. Aciari ni matuheire mateta matahana goku. Maetura mwanetirwo Nyarugunga.
Na Baringo.
Na Maseno. Kwaja Baringo ni metirwo hingi.
Baringo ni metitwo.
Yes. Na magithia na magithoma. Ndio. He kindu getagwo riri tugithoma. School motto.
School motto.
Thiku ici ukoraga cukuru ina nginya yandikitwo haria the mission, the vision and the core values. Yes. Cikandikwo haria. Tene no motto etheri. Na rwogo itiari progressive.
Actually, Tene na titane ati we kuraihu ri. Some schools, especially in the interior areas, had no school motto.
They just had the school title.
Na thukuru wetanagio na itura. Period.
Mekiangeria primary. No docio gathire kanoga tani na vegetation. Kana fauda. Ule waya ni mugunda gwakwo ki?
Gwakwo mugunda gwakwo thukuru.
Yes. Ibo tu ni maga wakinya high school. Ugakora cukuru ginya you have to reside and memorize.
Yes. And get that culture in you.
Exactly. What jeru aria meta wo national ni mage gaga.
Ende umete motito ire primary.
We umete na kori oguo karuku fe primary.
No wetondu nawe haha upstairs ndukiri okau ugikinyiria gwetwo national
ni undu wa riri wa Yehova na kio giaku ugetwo national akora kundu kwina core values and you recite them at parade.
Yes,
it will take you a year
to memorize. Yes, motto, a vision, a mission, core values.
Yes,
what do you stand for?
Even today there are high schools that do not display orosi wako core values na missions yoyo no avisi.
Kana ne requirement ya MOE.
Yes.
Ya ministry.
I don't know, give a mandika school motto ya yari ku. You find some wamenyaga, they did not have a lot of progress in them.
Actually, and others for I don't know lack of what, copied from bigger schools.
Yes, never mind your academic credentials. You see, wait, where the mood, you know what the national wa hell mafuku mena logo ya
mafuku branded.
Yes,
madhukuru.
Wakura mood wetirwo na Nairobi school. Yes, look at if we get to the uttermost.
Ukamenya wewe national.
Idio nugu amenya school ya nyine moto ni kwiro mutera. It is never displayed or talked about. What the mundo the Alliance High School. Oko ori athomeire. Tawate mubugio wa ikuyu.
Waishongwa.
Yes. Ukibona ni strong to serve ya beketo igotini ria.
Blazer inena gatawate gafuna kama ngere.
Niko kauka kahafuku kawidi breaker. Strong to serve.
Na mafukuini.
Yes. Ukari weji. Niki boku tutari na maundu mau. Kumbe ni hari ni undu tatindanaga kwena maundu mangi ma bata.
Or you are struggling with other things.
Yes. Kwaje ru giathire cukuru ta Kenya High. You know the schools that had Latin. Yes. Motto cia Latin. Yes.
Ukamenya ru mau marikuo even before independence.
Yes. Okay, what ru ha University of Nairobi United et Labor. Yes. Indiki urauga we.
You are nyutika PO box yo.
Yeah, Kenya High. Don't you? That one. Kenya High. I know it is John Mudhoni. Resignia. Atindo. Saviere. Esignare.
Esignare.
No, the Kenya High alumni nime gututamukira
I know it.
Severely signare. You can gwatiri katuthomagira. Na cukuru yanyu mwira ni okerio ni maku. Jishinde ushinde. Waigwa. Have you Mangu High School? Jishinde ushinde. Yes. The Starehe one was which one?
Starehe was which one?
It was also
Yale yage Swahili.
Yes.
Which one was it?
The Nyeri High School elimu ni ushinde.
Oh, Starehe ni natulenge juu.
Natulenge juu. Rugo muge iwe tare turenge turariririo.
No, tigane thutha uyu mathukuru nginya makire especially ma secondary gukora makite nginya gate cia kiriu ultra modern.
Yes.
Agikoro you had not invested in such kind of infrastructure.
You see,
motors not
unless you display it on your dust field.
Where else?
You don't have a structure. I gonna kwa head gutire plaster ri. Nimure kesho na ikara mahigaini. Moto area, I don't know why it's called the charter.
Charter area ngoro-ini. Kana mabuku-ini library.
Okay, wako ja shukuru ati cina nginya nickname. Yes. Iyo kaigwa ati andu aria mathomagira Nairobi School. Maugaga I don't know why it's called patch. Yes. Asomeanga patch. Yes. Kaigwa patch niku. So kigwa ni Nairobi School. Yes. Okay, what is it nasomeanga Boma.
Boma niku.
Boma ni the Kenya High. Oh yes. Kigwa ti mademu wa Boma. Kwanza makiria mastori kwa ugecagi. Marasemaya na mundu thoma ako. They will make you feel like a fool. Ndiye tulikuwa na maboys wa ditches man. Sisi tukasema tunabonga na maboys wa patch. Sasa ka hivyo maboys wa bush wakakam ukaliwa sioni.
Kuno Kenya.
Wewe ukaliwa patch ni Nairobi School. Ditches at a great high. Bush is the one and only alliance. Yes. Wakirigo hii tatiga. Na yanyu shukuru yanyu dire nickname. Yes. Letwa no riria na PO box.
Okay, nitwashi nickname ngona rugongo.
Yes.
Well, locally.
Yes.
Not was ya very rudimentary names.
Yes.
Barracks. Okay, that's a hardship zone.
It's a hardship. No, it's already warfare. Shukuru isi kwa goroga konia gaso kaka ko mahiga mafara kwena mucemanio.
Gacoka buremwe is wiped out.
Buremwe kana rukunguru afternoon. You see, and I don't know who you are fooling. Everyone could see. Una kwi hoitiga padre.
Kamenya ici irahakirwo ira ni undu wa muthi.
Ni undu wa kamotho. Cukuru ciarĩ na a formidable you know notice board.
Yes.
Ti andũ a kũhũrĩrwo atĩ stapler. Handũ ona arutwo ta igana me hau this information. Na nginya history ya thukuru hau. Yes. Na notice board ĩna gacicio na safi.
Lockable.
Iyo nĩyo yahana rĩu website.
Harĩ website ya thukuru.
Ya thukuru. You know notice board kaginya kagitĩtwo.
Kĩrĩtwo roofing.
Yes.
Kwaje ũgakora karũgamĩtio na ikĩngĩ cia cinda na ikahakwo marangi ma thukuru.
No ũrĩa cukuru ĩ nene rĩ. Noguo wakora notice board icio nĩ ta ithano. Ũthiũrũrũke ũũ. Yes.
Kwĩna nginya students corner.
Yes. Na kwaje cukuru iria ciagũra ngathĩti ĩmwe ĩgaprintwo mwena ũyũ na ũyũ. Na hiyo notice board yanyu yako harĩa hahead. Ona mũndũ akara stapler di.
Ũgĩthiĩ kũrora kĩndũ notice board-inĩ rĩ.
Yes.
You have already presented yourself to the authorities.
Yes. You actually, you are a suspect. Let me tell you. Where the man that you were going to school motto?
Kule matasi menyire na makirikia.
Yale kasana mwana. Hardship.
Hardship.
Akatha maira gata mayo boys. Atigata mayo boys githungurire. Ati you know what their nickname was? Methige.
Igue. Very rudimentary.
Era gimana yeta patch. Beaches. Dubs.
Eva ya na foto esa.